everyone, welcome back to the Gubba Homestead. I'm Gubba. I'm a first-time homesteader following in the footsteps of my homesteading forebears. My great-grandparents homesteaded, and here I am out on the farm on my first-time homestead, and I'm excited to be sharing it with you. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any adventures and a lot of first-time adventures on the homestead. And I also have two dogs out with me right now, so I'm gonna be watching as I do this. But today we're gonna be planting garlic. It's fall and you want to get your garlic planted right now, and this is the first time, like I said, this is the first time that I am going to be planting garlic ever in my whole entire life. But I love garlic, so it's an absolute must-have in my garden, and I told myself I'm just gonna go for it in my garden, see how things work out. And this is one of my garden beds. I prepped another garden bed in a video that you can check out, but that garden bed doesn't get full sun. I have a huge tree in the way, and I was reading that garlic needs full sun, although it's going to be dormant during the winter. So this garden bed does get a lot of sun, so I prepped half of it, cleared out half as you can see, and I'm going to be planting 30 bulbs. Are these called bulbs? I can't remember right now. 30 of these of garlic, and these are a hardneck variety. So garlic, there's hardneck and softneck, and hardneck varieties are better in colder climates, which I'm in. They are winter hardy. They can withstand temperatures of down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. So I went with a hardneck variety. In the store, you will most likely find softneck varieties that have a milder flavor, so they pair really well with a variety of dishes, and they're better grown in warmer climates. But there's hardnecks that can be grown in warmer, softnecks that can be grown in colder. But for my first time, I just went with something simple and what was recommended locally, which were these hardneck varieties. So to plant garlic, you want to, as a rule of thumb, you want to plant it about a thumb's length deep and then about a hand length far away from any other bulb of garlic, because they will compete when they're growing, and you don't want them to compete and then not be able to mature fully. So you want to give them plenty of space, and that's what we're going to be doing today. This is the soil that I have to work with. Here's my garlic. I have 30 cloves. This has been covered with a mulch and wood chips. So I'm just gonna be digging into there and then covering it again. So I'm about to put on my gloves. I'm gonna dig about 2 inches into the soil. And this is well-draining soil. It's a really healthy soil. I dug through it, tons of worms, looks beautiful. And before we do that, so planting the clove, it's called a clove. It took me a little bit, but you plant this side down. This is where the roots are going to go into. So the butt side down, that's where the roots are going to come out of. And then the pointy side up, which is where the shoots are going to come out of. And you also don't have to peel the clove. I'm just going to plant it just like this. I'm going to plant right here. Dig into the soil. Here's my soil. Here's all the covering. Dig about thumb's length deep. Literally just dig down with my thumb. Maybe I'll use this. A little difficult with gloves on. I'm gonna use a shovel actually. Okay, this shovel got bent. Okay, whatever. How did this happen? I have no clue how that happened. Put the butt in. Okay, and I realized I should have dug my holes first, so we'll mark that. That's right there. And you go about a hand's length this way. So we'll be going a hand's length that way. Oh, I'm gonna mark that. And there's the soil, about 2 inches deep. Okay, and again, I should do my holes, but I'm just kind of going for it. Got another one, putting the button down I'm gonna cover it. See you next spring. Okay, so that one was right there. So now I'm gonna dig out the holes because obviously I will forget where they're at, and that wouldn't be good. Good girls. Thank you. Good girl. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along with everything that I do here.